table less spring entertaining, 10 essentials for a backyard picnic with friends. This post is sponsored by Scott's. Picnic season is starting just around the corner, so now's the time to gather all the essentials to host a successful backyard get-together. These 10 accessories will give you the ideal excuse to throw an outdoor bash this season, but you'll want to stock up now before the season is too far gone. String lights. Let your picnic last well beyond dark by stringing up a few lines of ambient outdoor CAF lights. A fun texture like this strand of rattan top bulbs adds lots of extra personality. Picnic basket. No outdoor dining experience is complete without a fun basket to tote your tasty treats in. This 2-person wicker tote sports a colorful surprise inside, plus lots of room for strapped-in cutlery and plates. Outdoor drinkware. Real glass cups and plates are generally a no-no outside, but that doesn't mean you also have to say no to style. Plastic tumblers come as all shapes and sizes to suit your personal taste. Blanket. Another must-have picnic accessory is a soft yet substantial outdoor picnic blanket. Opt for a waterproof version so you stay nice and dry while out in the grass. Lawn game. Don't forget to have an after-lunch or after-dinner lawn game on hand to keep everyone entertained. A simple game of ring toss will keep your friends and family laughing all season long. Outdoor cushions. Offer your picnic participants a little luxury while lounging on the ground. A set of durable indoor/outdoor throw pillows will make them feel like royalty. Portable tunes. After the meal is over and everyone's energy is spent, amp up the vibe with a well-chosen playlist pumped out of a battery-operated stereo. Folding chairs. In case traditional seating is more your guest style, don't forget to have a few folding chairs within reach. These heavy-duty aluminum chairs are perfect for your grass. Firepit. A contemporary fire pit adds instant pizzazz and style to your outdoor entertaining zone. Plus, you'd be hard-pressed to find anyone who would turn down good, old-fashioned s'mores. Cheeseboard. You might be outside, but that doesn't mean you have to leave your class indoors. Try serving a delicious array of fancy cheeses at your picnic with a portable cheese tray. This post is sponsored by Scott's.